get to our Meet the Minis kit. We've curated 5 of our protecting and brightening bestsellers into TSA-friendly travel sizes for this handy kit, so wherever you are, you can glow on the go. Delivering you that brightening boost on the daily, powered by antioxidant vitamin C and AHAs, the 5 elevated essential products in this kit also provide protection against aging free radical damage caused by environmental stressors like blue light and pollution. To get the best out of this kit, kickstart your glow with the Hydrobrite AHA Cleanser. With its brightening, revitalizing cleansing powers, add water and gently massage it across your face using light circular movements for around 60 seconds. You can use this up to twice daily. Next up, apply your Hydrobrite Pro 5 liquid exfoliant. Toning and exfoliating, it's clinically proven to deliver complexion clarity and radiance while also boosting the effects of your other products too. Douse a cotton pad with it, then sweep across your face. Allow it to absorb. Use it 2 to 3 times per week. Then apply your C-Shield anti-pollution drops. Powered by vitamin C, this serum helps prevent premature aging with antioxidant protection against free radical damage and boosts brightness too. Apply 4 to 6 drops to the face and décolleté up to twice daily. And now for the eyes. Target dark circles, puffiness, and diminish fine lines with the age-defying, antioxidant-powered C-Shield Eye Restore Hydrator. Using a delicate touch, lightly tap product around the eye area until it's absorbed. Complete your ritual with an instant moisture surge and luminosity boost with the Hydrobrite AHA Hydrator. Gently massage it into skin to replenish and lock in moisture, up to twice daily. You can also mix and match these minis with any of your favorite glow products too. Perfectly petite for travel, road trips, or back to the office pick-me-ups, this synergistic set offers everything you need for protected, radiant results no matter where you are.